we developed India's first facade testing facility, which is a 3-story structure where we can do full-scale facade prototype testing.
We have been seeing a lot of fire tragedies and deaths due to fire, since last 10-15 years. It started with one of the biggest fire in Kolkata, the AMRI hospital, which claimed close more than 50-60 lives. And if we can come up with a better and enhanced product, so this research is going to be a milestone in creating a fire safe product, not only for us but for the industry, and to save the lives and the properties.
If we have institutions like you who could help us, and we don't have to go all across the sea towards Europe or in other countries like US to get even the minutest data tested, it would enhance our research facilities.
We did a number of tests. We had a building with 3 different facades, and we started with leapfrog effect. Then we went on to the aluminum composite panels, how they really, the non-rated aluminum composite panel, how they spread fire.